Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on an outdoor power strip that's weatherproof. So let's go ahead and unbox this. It's three outlets. Water against water splashing. We have some inputs here, different things. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box. And typical wrapping. Quick warranty guide, instructions, not that it's really needed. The on-off switch is coated, not coated, but inside of plastic waterproofing. We have three inputs and a flat end, and that's it for the unboxing. So let's go over some tech specs on this. It's an outdoor power strip that's weatherproof. It's waterproof, can resist rain, water splash, and even water flow. Water flowing into the socket will not damage the internal circuit because of its special internal structure, and the water will be discharged by the drain hole on the back of the power strip. It's electric shock outlet. Its patent uses a unique electric shockproof structure designed specifically for American standard plugs, which means forks, tweezers, keys, and even children's fingers can't get powered through the electric shockproof outlets. It's all-around safety design. The outdoor power strip has built-in overload protection, which will automatically shut down to prevent fire when the power exceeds 1,500 watts. And the shell is made of 1,382 degree heat resistance ABS material. In addition, the plastic cover on the switch provides an extra safety protection. The outdoor power strip with three outlets is compatible with 2-pin and 3-pin US standard plugs. 1.6-inch widely spaced between each outlet, extra strong 6.56 feet, flat plug heavy-duty extension cord that's ETL listed. It has wall-mountable outdoor power strip. It has two mounting holes on the reverse, and you can install the outdoor surge protector in various applications, wall-mounted or floor-mounted, in outdoor, courtyard, garden, bathroom, swimming pool, etc. 45-degree angle flat plug. The plug of this waterproof outdoor power strip doesn't block the bottom receptacle of the duplex wall outlet. So that's my video on the outdoor power strip weatherproof waterproof flat plug with three outlets at 6.5 feet extension cord. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.